The stovetop fan on the RV could use a lot of work. The fan blade's actually broke. You could just take a little epoxy, glue the fan back on. But that's what you get, and it doesn't work very well. So we're going to replace it and might add a little style at the same time. There were basically 4 screw holes in the 4 corners of that panel, and I took it down. There's the wiring. Be careful around wiring. If you don't know what you're doing, hire a professional. And then the outward duct for the venting of the smoke and the exhaust. So I just took it down. Here's the piece off. There's the busted fan. So I'm going to remove these 2 bolts and get this fan motor out of here. I removed the old fan unit, bolt on each side, unwired the wire nuts. It's 12 volts. Took it off. Then I went online and I got these computer fans. These are 120 millimeters and they just happen to fit this hole perfectly. It's an RGB light. On mine there's 2 notches right here, and then this is surfaced. I fit the 2 sides in, and then I turn it, and I get one side in, I get the other side, and then I rotate it and lock between the 2 lips, and then I rotate it, and it holds in place. I'll probably put a dab of silicone or hot glue on these 4 corners for now, and that will hold the fan in place. And then I'll wire it back up just as the old fan came out. Hot lead to here, ground to that switch, and we'll see what the new fan does. Now the fan is installed. Turn it on. And we get a colorful effect. Pretty quiet. These fans are really efficient. Don't use a lot of power. There you go.